Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to fix Wi-Fi icon missing from task tray in Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from your laptop or desktop, just to see whether your Wi-Fi is connected or not. So now no network access is there in my task tray. What I have to do here? Just go to start menu, just type ncpa.cpl. I have given the description link of these words. So once you type in ncpa.cpl, that is, it will go to control panel items over there. So that is called for network connection pop-up will be open here. So in this network connection pop-up, there will be a Bluetooth, Ethernet and Wi-Fi. So everything will be displayed over here. So now you can able to enable the Wi-Fi and enable the Ethernet and enable everything. So now my Wi-Fi is disabled. Just use right click and enable your Wi-Fi. Once you enable the Wi-Fi, automatically your Wi-Fi will be connected to your internet. Your laptop will be connected. So if any other software update has happened, means your Wi-Fi may be disabled. Just check this one. So once it's enabled, means automatically your Wi-Fi icon should be enabled in your task tree. If it is not, just hit the button over here and just click the pencil button. As you see, edit quick settings, because there is no Wi-Fi device tray will not be there. Just click edit quick setting and click add option. Once you add option, means there will be a Wi-Fi projected nearby, mobile hotspotting, everything will be there. Just click Wi-Fi, automatically Wi-Fi tray will be added over here. Just click mobile hotspot. You want whatever you want, you can add in this tray. So now I can able to check my Wi-Fi is switched on as well as my Wi-Fi is enabled. So use this option to enable, as well as your icon will be displayed in your task tray over here. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.